In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video on Shopify Autoplay. Autoplay helps spotlight important content the moment a page loads, and we'll walk through the exact settings in Shopify so your video starts playing without extra clicks. Quick note before we start, most modern browsers block autoplay with sound. That's why Shopify themes typically autoplay videos muted and often only when the section is visible on screen, especially on mobile. We'll enable the right option so it works as consistently as possible across devices. Open your Shopify admin in your browser. In the left menu, click Online Store, then choose Themes. This opens your storefront's design area. Now click Edit Theme to launch the visual editor, where you control sections and blocks on your pages. This process works for most Online Store 2.0 themes, though wording can vary slightly. Inside the editor, choose the template you're working on, like your homepage. In the Sections panel, click Add Block within the section where you want the video. From the list, select Video. You'll now see settings to connect and style your clip. Place the block where it best supports your message, like near the top of the section. Attach your content. You can upload a file or paste a YouTube or Vimeo link. For uploads, MP4 with H.264 is a safe choice and keeps file sizes reasonable for faster loading. Smaller files start faster and feel smoother. If you're linking from YouTube or Vimeo, remember that many mobile browsers require the video to be muted for autoplay to function. Next, enable autoplay in the video block settings. If options for mute and loop appear, turn them on as well. Muting aligns with browser policies, and looping keeps the motion seamless. Depending on your theme, you may also see fit or aspect controls. Choose cover or an aspect that fills the space cleanly so the video looks polished. When everything looks right, click Save to apply your changes. Your video should begin playing automatically when visitors reach that section. If it waits until the block enters the viewport, that's normal behavior designed to improve performance, especially on mobile networks. A few tips to finish: keep clips short and visually clear, since subtle, looping videos work best for engagement without distracting from the rest of the page. Add a poster image so a clean frame displays while the video loads. And if changes don't appear immediately, refresh the storefront or test in a private window to bypass caching. That's it, your Shopify video is set to autoplay.